What happens if someone passes away and forgot to fund a house or a bank into the trust? So they forgot to change it, didn't put it. Yeah.
So there's a couple of things, depending on how well the estate plan was set up. If within the estate plan there was a document, a special assignment document, or basically anything in writing that expressed their intent for that specific asset to be part of the trust. We do these things called assignments that the clients will sign. It just says, we hereby assign all our right, title, and interest to every category of asset to our trust. And the reason is if they did forget that one asset, all that would be required would be that heir would take that document, that assignment to court. Yes, you have to go to court, but it's usually a $2,000-$3,000 process. And then the court will basically rubber stamp it and say, yeah, it's part of the trust. And then that problem is solved. If that failed, there's what's called a pour-over will that accompanies every trust. That's what I call our last line of defense. That would capture the asset that assignment couldn't capture. Usually, the assignment's going to capture everything. You only get to that pour-over will if the estate plan didn't have that assignment or something in writing that expressed their intent that particular asset that was left out was supposed to be part of the trust. There could be another way of doing it. If that bank account is small enough and no other assets need to go through the court process, they may be able to do what's called a small estate affidavit. It's basically an affidavit that the person would sign saying that the asset is X dollars and I'm the successor in interest. There was this trust, and then they could submit that to the bank, and then the bank without going to any court process. So there are ways around it, but obviously if it's a significant asset, then that could be a little bit more of a problem.
Nick does a complimentary consultation for our clients, which is fantastic. So if this is something you're interested, you want to talk with him one-on-one, just go ahead and send an email out to me, or you can go ahead and just reach out and then we can go ahead and arrange something for you. Have a great one.